Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about to the digital? Alexo, crypto.
What's going on, everybody? How we doing? How we doing, man?
Alexo, crypto.
Alexo,
Alexo,
crypto. What is going on? Otter gang in the chat. Hit the likes. Jonathan Schaefer, Lunar Beaches, Crypto, Huddle, Crypto. Tony Soprano. The big news, Alex got a new camera. Oh no, we're still rolling with this one. You know, plug it in, plug it out, you know, try to get it working all over again. What's going on, Army Piper in the chat? What's going on, Jeet Corp, CNFT Keeper, D Jenny from the blockchain and Post. What's going on, guys? Happy Sunday to you guys. How we all doing? The renovation is not over. It's not over. We got a lot of work to still do. I mean, we're not even finished. We got the bulkheads to do of the framing. We got a lot of work to do. What's going on, Alexandra G, Siamek Ashar? Good to see you. Yorm Besser, good to see you. What's going on, guys? Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. I know it's a random day to stream, but it's also, you know, a day to announce something pretty cool going on. So we'll get into that in a bit. We got a poll here. Would you rather superpowers? Okay, so would you rather be able to shoot spaghetti out of your fingertips? Would you rather having some laser eyes? Run fast backwards or rocket insta roller skates, guys? Mrs. Otter, what would you prefer? She's over there. Laser eyes. What if it was like, what if you're like, you made the wish with the genie, right? And you got these laser eyes, and it was just like a laser pointer. It wasn't like, it didn't even cut couldn't even cut paper, you know? Couldn't even cut its way out of a wet paper bag, as they say, right? What if it was just a laser pointer? How upset would you be if the genie did you dirty like that? We did play golf this morning, Retro Mike Tech. You're correct. Big news is Alex O upgrading from Golden Tee to real golf courses. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. You're fighting BitBoy in karate combat. Let's go. Let's go. Good. Hey, Jeanette. How are you doing? Good to see you as well. Everything is better now. Besser is here. Yes, this is the one. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Guys, when should we do the announcement? Like, should we set up a timer? I don't know. Like, let's do the Bitcoin TA, and then we can jump into the announcement. How about that? Is that fair? Karate. Everybody was kung fu fighting. I think you guys all got laser pointer eyes, man. You guys got shafted from the genie. We got a timer. Okay. You can get a timer. Dave Digital says now. Random timer. Okay, so let's go through Bitcoin. This is on the weekly. We got the weekly candle about to print. Now, I just watched Eric Crown's video, and he did some back testing, and he says March is typically a very blasé kind of chop sideways month, which isn't bad. I think as long as Bitcoin continues sideways, we're in good nick. Now, I did read an article about this last great opportunity for us to accumulate Bitcoin, okay? Looking for that major pullback. It talks about a major pullback coming after the halving. Also talks about Ethereum and its target of $3,500. Now, we were screaming at $2,200 buy Ethereum, weren't we? Moose, yeah? We were saying buy Ethereum, $2,200, right? Yeah. And we did, right? Yeah, see? We call each other moose instead of deer. It's a Canadian thing. It's not common, but we call each other moose. Just in case you were wondering, me and Mrs. Otter call each other moose because it's better than deer. Like who doesn't like a moose? I mean, come on, guys. I got a golden moose on my desk, okay? I do have a golden moose on my desk, okay? This is my moose. It is not real gold. It is not real gold, but it's a moose, okay? We're not bullish. We're moose-ish? Moose-ish? Yeah, we're moose-ish, okay? It's Sunday, guys. We ain't getting all technical within here, okay? Carlos offered Ben $100K and a Lambo to fight him. Oh, man. So we call each other moose instead of deer, and that's just our thing. And everybody looks at us weird. But we're here for otters. Well, you're utterly fantastic, John Besser. So we're so great to have you. Mandrew, what's going on? So the weekly candle looks very indecisive, right? And there's some tall tales here that we are looking at. You know, the 3-day red dot has confirmed. Same with the 4-day is going to print here. Okay, so tonight would be a good time to look at the 4-day. We're going to get the print here in 3 hours, okay, alongside with the weekly. So the 4-day will be something to watch too if we get a print of maybe a red dot. We'll see if we get one. Okay, VWAP's coming down to the 0 line, which we are watching. But money flow remains pretty thick, okay? So the trend is up. Like we know, we flip here. We get the red dot confirmed on the 3-day. Then we get the VWAP crossover on the 2-day. Okay, so right now we're in a very strong uptrend, right? We're in that parabolic trend that everybody and their brother and sisters are talking about from the bottom here all the way doing this beautiful, beautiful parabola. Now, I know you guys love those scientific calculators and inputting a y-axis, x-axis, whatever axis, utterly axis, but it's great, okay? It's great we're in this parabolic upwards trend. However, we could do a correction eventually, maybe around 35,000, okay? Who knows? But right now we trade what's in front of us, And right now we are having a little bit of trouble getting above, and we could be looking for a little bit of a dip. Okay, we can see money is coming out slightly, ever so slightly on the 2-day here, and the VWAP is resetting, but it has flattened out. Now, I always mention to you guys, when the VWAP does flatten out, it gives us an opportunity to pop back upwards. Okay, so we are eyeballing that, and really what we're eyeballing is this daily close. Okay, so we got 3 hours left. The daily is posturing aggressively to the upside, looking to cross the 0 line. Okay, so this could be an indication that within the next couple of days, we could be looking for a pump. Okay, so that's very, very bullish looking, in my opinion, on the daily. So we'll see how this plays out. This candle looks like it is a continuation to the upside, right? You have the close, and now it has, as long as we don't come down below 51,600 this evening, okay, within 3 hours, as long as we don't close below 51,600, this to me will be positive, and it will be look like maybe we get a print of a green dot, we'll get the VWAP crossover. Okay, so it looks like it wants to try at least a push up to the top here, and we do have an area where we are looking for possible liquidity grabs to the upside, and then we do have this 53,700 level, where is our key level of resistance. So if we do push, we will look for rejection either from this liquidity grab or from this high up here, where we can get some sort of bearish divergence, maybe a higher high and a lower low like this, right? Where we can look for that beautiful bearish divergence on a higher term time frame. Bought 11 ETH at $1,100. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick, Piper. You are a legend, man. Much love to Army Piper. Darren does things in the chat. Dave Digital. All you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. We got bears and mooses. Hodl Crypto. What's going on, my brother? Now, going over to the 12-hour, we can see that the money flow is pretty thick. We got that trigger to the downside when we're oscillating above. I like to call this a trigger here because it's the dip of the toes, but it does want to remain bullish because we do have the money flow in the green. Okay, so this is a very good signal of bullishness pushing to the upside. We do see a flattening out on the VWAP, but this can simply continue its work here. And we have a crossover here on the momentum wave to the upside, looking pretty nice here on the 12-hour. Now, when we go over to the 8, we can see that we have had the similar move. Money is coming back into the markets. Now, we know a bit of chop sideways as we anticipated for this weekend, and it has come to fruition. Okay, so right now you can see that money came out on the 4-hour. Money is coming back now, and we were looking at this bullish divergence here on the 4-hour. Okay, so we let you guys know in the Discord. Now, if you aren't part of our Discord, make sure to join us there. It's all free, everybody. We had a free trading session today from Brewberry, who took you guys through some ICT stuff. And if you want to catch that, I'm going to watch it later. Here's some crypto TA from Brewberry. He gives awesome charts, lots of smart money concepts, breaks of structure, change of character, right? He has great charts, and he's always giving away free alpha in our Discord, okay? So alongside with Lunar Beach's Crypto, alongside with Kyle, okay, and myself, who do give you guys the free setups all the time. So, I mean, why wouldn't you want some free stuff of people who are making money out of these charts, okay? So we were looking at this 4-hour bullish divergence, looking to push us up, and it has done so. However, we haven't been able to make a new high, okay? So you can see we haven't broken the structure of this previous range here, where we want to see price get above and then maybe retrace, and we can look for a buy there. Until then, we are anticipating a rejection, okay, until we get above. Now, we've had a couple of little scammy wicks on the short-term time frames, but literally we've pushed up here on Saturday, okay? So we chopped sideways. Saturday we got a push up. We've been chopping sideways here. A little dip of the toes, but nothing too significant, okay? So we want to see a real strong kind of idea of which way we are trending. However, we are making higher lows on this push up, okay? We really want to see it get above this high here around 52,100, okay? Taking out this high is going to be important for that continuation to the upside. So we're definitely watching this right now, okay? So make sure that we are prepared. We could get some volatility within the next 3 hours, okay, because we do have that weekly close coming within 3 hours. So within the next 3 hours, what do we see here? We can see that we do have a rejection zone, which is a liquidity grab, which is also a golden pocket area, which I am eyeing up quite regularly for a push up here for the 786 here. For me, we've taken out this golden pocket here. We've come back, we've retraced. Okay, so if we do push up from here, it would be up to the 786 and the liquidity, which lies up within this area. Okay, you can see we had a wick up here, we had a wick up here. So I do look for some sort of liquidity grab if we are going to push and continue back down. Okay, that liquidity coming within this sell area here would be ideal for us to grab a short, okay? Around $52,500, right? We want to wait for a reaction on price, though. If price just zips in and zips out, we might miss it, but we do want to wait for nice confirmation on probably a 15-minute time frame where we're getting a bearish divergence within this area, failing to push upwards, right? Because, guys, if we're shorting this market, right, we need to be aware that the bulls are really in control. The more we consolidate sideways, the more we are to go upwards, right? And those parabolic pumps, those 6, 7, 8% moves can push right through your stop loss and wreck you. So with shorts, we really want to be careful and make sure we're using good confluence when trading these. The longs, okay, you can cheat a bit with the longs because of the sentiment in the markets and the greed in the markets where we can look to capitalize. We're mostly looking for longs, but for now, you know, the short is closer. If we do swing down below, we have this area down here as well that I'm eyeing up for a swing failure pattern and liquidity grab right at that psychological $50,000 mark. I'll bring this up just a little bit just so it's there. And then the same kind of deal. We are looking for it to either get bought up fast. So if we do drop down and we get bought up fast, we're just looking for that quick re-entry on a pullback, right? We might not get a nice double bottom within here, but we could just get a little bit of a liquidity grab and then that march onwards and upwards, okay? So we are eyeing up these key areas in the short-term time frames, looking for entries and hopefully to benefit from all these levels. Now, we also have these key levels here below us. I will mark them out for you right now so that you guys are aware, and then I will share it in the Discord, and I will get on to the special announcement for today's special stream, okay? Special stream. How are we all doing today? What do you guys think? Do you guys think that we are going to get the opportunity of a pullback coming at the halving around April, March, or end of March? I mean, April 20, it's about April 20th, right? April 20th, 22nd. I think the timing works out. So what do you guys think? Do you guys believe that we will get the opportunity for a pullback? And if so, because I know you guys want one, type in what price Bitcoin. I'm going 34,888. What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat. Are we going to get that pullback? And what price do you guys want it at? That would be great if you guys want to let me know. But I think we're going to get a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a scare. Nope, sideways chop, painful. Yeah, boring could be on the tables, right? Like, we could get something. I mean, where was the most boring? I think when we pumped up to 25K just before our massive pump, this area here, right around September. This was when I moved to Canada from Australia. And August to September. This patch here was so painful. So painful. Alt season, bro. 47,200, 45K. That's wild. You guys don't think we're getting back down to in the 30s, eh? You guys are so bullish, man. Holy smokes. I hope you're right, okay? I hope you're right. I hope you guys are right. Tony Soprano says 39K-ish. 32, 34 at best, says Mandrew. Okay, we are at a 74 greed index, guys. Woo! Oh, man. Now, are there any alts that you guys want me to quickly look at? Now, this isn't going to be a full live stream. We have Army Piper. Guys, we have Army Piper and the Piper Academy coming on the live show tomorrow. Okay? Coming on the live show tomorrow. If you guys aren't here, then you're square, man. So I still got to do the thumbnail. I will be announcing it this evening to everybody. However, we got the Piper Academy, Army Piper's jumping on the live stream tomorrow. I'm so excited to have him on. Big. He's like family, man. He's family to this channel. We love you, Army Piper, wherever you are. If you're not in chat, that's okay. I know you're a busy man as well. Okay. Okay, I guess it is time. I see Matic. Okay, we'll do Optimism. We'll do Matic. And we'll do Ethereum. Matic. OP. Link is looking pretty strong right now, coming back. And maybe we do Solana. Let's do ETH. Matic. Okay, and that's all I'm going to do. A little quick one. Army Piper on the chat tomorrow. Yeah, man, he's family. Okay. Let's go to the main screen. So, do we need a drum roll? Dun 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 dun. Boom. Boom boom boom. So, I want to see what you guys are guessing, man. What do you guys think is going to happen? What do you think is the big announcement? Do you guys think the channel's maybe got a sponsor? Do you think there's going to be a big giveaway? Do you think that we have a massive collaboration? Do you think that we are going to have a paid Discord and make all you guys pay $50 a month for stuff we give away for free? No, that's never going to happen. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. That's never going to happen. Do you guys... Ben is back. Bitcoin just jumps in the charts. Well, Mrs. Otter, do you want to come and let... You guys have met Mrs. Otter, and you have Mrs. Otter. She has a channel. Come say hello.
Hello, everyone. I look tired.
You look tired?
Yeah.
Everybody say hello to Mrs. Otter. Otter gang, we're having a baby.
Little baby otter. What's everyone saying?
Baby otter. Everybody, we're having a baby otter. Let's go. We're starting a family, guys. Baby otter in the house. Guys, it's 12. It's 12 weeks, right?
Yeah.
12 weeks.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up.
We are getting married in August.
Don't you know, pump it up.
Baby due in September.
Baby due in September, wedding in August.
You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
12 weeks in, the swimmers do work. sit down now. Say bye. Dave wants to know whose is it. I don't know, man. Shooting blanks, bro. Hey, we're early in baby coin, eh? Don't forget the dollar cost average into baby coin. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I mean, I'm gonna be a dad. I'm gonna be a dad. That's pretty wild, eh?
Undermine everything they're doing to people around the world. And I'm sorry for shouting, but it just disgusts me.
Thank you guys for being a part of my family, for supporting my family, for supporting me, and being so kind, you know? I've been vlogging the last 2 days. I'm going to be sharing more of my life with you guys. Mrs. Otter is going to be editing them and stuff like that, and they're all voting. We're going to start a new poll. We're going to start a new poll. I'm just too, I feel very blessed and very fortunate. I feel very, 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 very lucky. Boy or girl, I feel blessed, and I know that it's a big responsibility, but also I'm up for the challenge. You know, I think no, it's definitely a gift. And I hope that I can be a good dad. I grew up without a dad, so for me, it's 10 times more important to be a good dad. You know, I have a strong, independent, single mom who raised me, but I've always wanted a little one. You know, so I'm looking forward to sharing this journey with you guys, and having your guys' support along the way, man. It means a lot to me having you guys around, and we'll continue to crush it, man, and make money. We got to make money to pay for that baby. So we're going to have to be doubling down on the YouTube, doubling down on the TA, doubling down on helping other people, right? And bringing alpha and value to all you guys. So I'm very, very grateful. Thank you guys for being a part of my family. I appreciate you guys. So now let's jump into the charts, man. That's enough soppy shit, man. I can't handle it. Woo-wee. So Ethereum is getting a move, right? Ethereum's getting the move. We shared what key resistance is in front of us, what key support was behind us. And diapers are expensive. Sub to the channel. Oh, man. God bless you guys. So Ethereum on the dailies got the green dot VWAP crossover, looking to continue its push up to 35.23 is our target, okay? We're looking to get up here. This is still quite a nice move, guys. Another 14%. Okay? Dude, drop the mic. Boom, 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 boom. We know how to do TA. You're having a baby. Oh, I know. Go glow. Oh, man. I love you, Dave. The ultimate wrench, man. When diaper party? Oh, man. I don't know if Mrs. Otter will let me name it Otter. But Amy, Mrs. Otter, Amy, she's going to be more involved with the channel, helping contact people, trying to get more collabs for you guys. She's going to be editing the vlogs. She was in film editing and script writing in university, so she's going to help with the channel a little bit more. Just try to help get some momentum and keep the momentum growing with you guys, and really just bringing you guys more value is what it's all about, right? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I guess we can leave the TA till tomorrow with Army Piper. I will do actually tomorrow morning. I will do a morning update. How about that? So we'll do that. We'll do a morning update. I'll go through Matic, Optimism, Link, Solana, anything else that's kind of moving, and we can do that all for you guys. And that's about it, man. Like, I mean, it's Amy and I are just so grateful to have you guys, this beautiful, beautiful community to share it with you guys, right? It's pretty emotional. So it's pretty emotional, but it's like we're just grateful. We're just grateful. Look what Tony Soprano made this. Look at this. Oh man, you guys. Sponsored by the fear of raising a child. Yeah, fuck it up in our own way, right? I mean, we both don't party. We've both settled down. We were both looking for a place to definitely build a family and a life together. We weren't sure about having kids like 4 years ago, and that's really changed. So it's pretty amazing that it's come this far. And I mean, we only started trying in December, and I mean, I should make like a kung fu hat out of this. Everybody keeps telling me I had the fun part. We gotta find a way to buy more Bitcoin to pay for this dang thing. So I just wanted to come on here and share my life with you guys a bit more, and let you know we're gonna be doing vlogs and all that kind of stuff, and making sure that we're ready. Jungle Boy, I did the BTC TA at the beginning of the stream if you wanna rewind. But yeah, that's me, man. That's me. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm in the Discord. I'll be here, and we'll be live. I'll do an update video tomorrow morning. I'll launch it for you guys. Let's say 8, 9 o'clock-ish. I'll get that out to you guys, and then we'll be live 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow with Army Piper. It's going to be great. It's going to be great. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Much love. Boom, boom, boom. We're having a baby. Let's go. And I'm back. B-Team Crypto, let me pitch in on them Otter wipes, bro. Thank you for all the value you provide, and congratulations on the family, brother. Love you, Alex. Gang, gang. B-Team Crypto, my man. God bless you, B-Team Crypto. Thank you so much for the super chat and supporting the channel. I appreciate you, man. You're a real one, man. You know that. You know that. You're always here helping the channel. Thank you so much, B-Team Crypto. You guys have a wonderful Sunday, man. Have a wonderful Sunday, and we'll crush the charts and make some bank tomorrow. Thank you, B Team Crypto. Much love to every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your evening, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got